Did you know that how you cook, and even cool, your food can change how it affects your blood sugar? It's all because of something called resistant starch. Most starches in foods like rice, bread, and potatoes break down fast into sugar, which can cause a quick spike in your blood sugar. But resistant starch acts differently. It resists digestion, so less sugar enters your blood right away. Instead, it travels to your large intestine, where it feeds your good gut bacteria. That means resistant starch can 1. Lower blood sugar spikes, 2. Improve insulin use, and 3. Support a healthy gut. Here's the cool part, literally. When you cook starchy foods and then let them cool, the starch molecules reorganize into a form your body can't easily digest. This process is called retrogradation, and it creates resistant starch. To do this at home, cook your rice or potatoes. Let them cool to room temperature. Refrigerate overnight, and yes, you can reheat them again before eating. The resistant starch stays mostly intact. So next time you make rice, pasta, or potatoes, let them chill before you eat them. That simple step can help you manage blood sugar, feed your gut, and make your carbs just a little bit healthier.